Bata pa lang ako, hilig ko na talagang sumayaw. Hindi ko naranasan ang buong suporta at oportunidad na kailangan ko para mas mapaunlad ang talento ko. Ngayon, dala ang tamang training, karanasan at mga natutunan ko, pinili kong ibahagi ang mga ito sa susunod na henerasyon. Dahil naniniwala ako na ang bawat batang may pangarap ay nararapat magkaroon ng pagkakataong maabot ito. Ako si Kenz Garcia. Samahan niyo akong ipakita ang talento ng kabataang Pinoy dito sa Talentadong Kabarangay.
Nakakasama na natin ngayong umaga, Kenz Garcia at ang kanyang mga lovely na mga estudyante, Anya, Jacob, Zoe, and Nary.
Hi guys, good morning!
Good morning po.
Good morning,
Good morning po. Good morning.
Alright.
Naku,
May lapel ba si Kenz? Yes.
Oh, meron
Yes po.
si Kenz. Kenz, di ba? Bata ka pa lang daw talaga. Ito na talaga yung passion mo.
Yes po, maupay nga aga.
Ay, mag-iigoy din ka.
Dulag, Leyte po.
Amo naman
Hello po
eh,
sa mga taga Leyte.
Maupay nga aga yung mata.
Maupay nga aga
Ayan.
po.
Sige, Doy, kumusta? Paano kang napasok dito sa ganitong klase ng
Well, since I was 6 years old po, no? Kinder, lagi na yun, graduation, recognition. I always join mga programs namin sa school.
Correct.
So ako talaga po, I always presenta po talaga. ako always.
Nagpo-volunteer pa, ganyan.
Yes po. Opo.
Presentado.
Yes! Totoo!
Yes.
At syempre, nadala mo na siya hanggang maging adult ka. And then,
Yes po.
ano yan? Nag-aral ka? May talagang...
Well, nung elementary po, our teachers, our MAPIT teachers, always been really good with teaching us. Even in high school, I
Yeah.
was also part of our high school dance troupe. Also in our town, in Dulag, Leyte, I was part of the Dulag dance troupe. In college, I was also part of National University Pep
Yun
Squad.
talaga eh, no?
And then I stopped dancing for 10 years because when I was 18, I had to start working na po.
Magiging adult na.
Yes
Kailangan
po. I had
realidad
to,
ng
you know,
buhay.
I had
Okay.
to. Pero 2018 was the time na I figured out, nag-search lang po ako online, ay parang lumabas lang siya sa feed ko, and then sabi ko, ang galing nung sumasayaw, parang gusto kong sumayaw ulit.
Oh, yun.
And ayun po.
Hindi
nag-search
naman mawawala yun eh, ang pagsasayaw.
Yes po.
di ba?
Nasa kanya na eh.
Opo. Nag-search po ako. I took classes. And this was from his name is Ed Vicente. He's one of great dancers here in the Philippines. They competed national and international. And that was dancehall. That's the style. And lo and behold, after a few years, even during the pandemic, I kept dancing. You know, I attended dance classes even online. Didn't keep me from, you know, stopping dance.
Yes.
Just because it was pandemic. More so, I had the really love for the dance.
Alam nyo,
kaya tuloy-tuloy.
isingit ko lang,
Oo.
sa mga magulang na nakikitaan nyo ng passion yung anak nyo, nakikita nyo nagniningning ang mata kapag ginagawa yung mga bagay na, you know, makes them happy, please support them.
Oo, alam niyo kung
Please
bakit
support.
din? Alam niyo kung bakit din? Kasi mas na-inspire sila.
Yes!
Kasi creativity yan, di ba? Yung creativity nila enhanced, di ba?
Yes.
Mas na-inspire din sila sa kanilang academics.
Totoo. Tama ka dyan. Tama ka dyan.
Nakatutulong.
Hari na, disiplina at yung nagiging masaya sila,
Oo.
pati sa academics sila, magiging
Apektado,
okay
damay-damay
sila.
na.
Correct. Ayun,
Oo.
ito nagtayo ka ng sarili mong dance group,
Yes
tama
po.
ba?
Yes po. Sa
Oo.
Dulag, Leyte po. Which we actually competed in national competition here in Manila. We were champion. We competed with among of the top teams here in Luzon. We were the only team from Leyte,
Wow!
from Visayas, and we were champion.
Okay, salamat doon.
Yun! Great job!
Ibang level ang pride ka pala ng Dulag. Ikaw na yan. Okay, then nagturo ka na ng mga bata. Ano
Yes
yung
po.
nag-trigger
Eto na.
sa'yo to do it?
It's because ako growing up, I didn't have that much support from my family. But then I didn't want it to stop. I wanted
Galing, ah.
my knowledge and my
Oo.
skills to share to the young ones po. So kung ano yung mga hindi ko na-experience, gusto ko ma-experience ng mga kabataan
Ilang
po.
estudyante na ang natuturuan mo?
Sa Leyte, marami na po. Here sa Manila, I think more than 20 na rin po sila.
At ilan sa kanila ay narito ngayon.
Correct!
Nandito sina Anya Madson Del Rosario, Jacob Fuentes, Zoe Blair Santos, and Marquisha Nary Itang. Hi
Yeah.
guys!
Hi,
Good
good
morning!
morning!
Ilang taon na si Ian? O, sa inyo muna, love. Si
Nary, ilang
Ilang
taon ka na nag-start and then ano yung natutuhan mo mula rito sa ginagawa mo? At of course, mula sa teacher mo.
Dami na po ako natutunan, lalo na po kay Coach Kens. And nagsimula po ako nung 2 years old pa lang.
2?
3 po.
3, wow. Wow.
Yes.
And then so far, ano yung nakuha mong values and of course, aside from, I'm sure magiging magaling kayong mga mananayaw, yung values na nakukuha nyo from doing this?
Una pa lang po yung pakikisama po namin. And syempre, yung oras din po.
Disiplina sa
Yes.
Time management, disiplina.
How about
How about you,
Sige.
Anya? Hi, Anya. How young are you, Anya? Ilan taon ka na?
I'm 14 years old
14.
po.
Okay. So, kumusta naman ang iyong pag-aaral? Ang alam ko, pinagsasabay mo ito sa iyong pagsasayaw.
Opo.
Okay. So, kumusta? Paano mo binabalanse?
For me po is I'm not really that pressured when it comes to my academics kasi parang ina-enjoy ko lang po siya while dancing kasi I really enjoy dancing po. Tapos nagiging inspiration po din sa akin yung mga family members ko po na sumusupport sa inyo.
Yun. It's all about
Diba?
family supporting their
Today,
children.
alam
Diba?
mo,
Yun
if you're
yun.
safe, if you feel safe sa inyong tahanan and loved and cared, makikita nyo talaga yung anak nyo kung
Magpo-flourish.
paanong
Magbo-bloom.
ibigay ang full potential ng lahat-lahat.
Magbo-blossom.
Talino at galing. Ibibigay yan lahat. How about
Magbo-blossom.
you, Zoe? Sino ang talagang parang inspiration mo dito sa pagsasayaw mo?
Yung 4 years old po ako,
Ba't ilang taong ka lang ba ngayon? 9? Ay, grabe itong mga bata. 4, Okay.
nung 4 years old po ako, nanonood po ako sa
TV.
dati sa YouTube, opo, pati sa TV, si Jojo Siwa.
Ay, kaya pala!
Inspired
Hence
kay
the
Jojo.
inspiration. Okay.
Tapos
Pati
po-
styling eh.
Oo.
Tapos po, trinay ko yung mga sayaw niya. Tapos nakita ko ng dad ko na parang ang smooth ng
Yes!
Tapos po, nung nag 6 years old po ako, trinay ko mag-post sa TikTok na mag-TikTok. Tapos bigla po, hindi po naging famous. But
It's okay. It's okay. Kailangan lang masaya ka sa ginagawa mo. Masaya ka sa ginagawa mo.
Apa.
Good job. Yun lang ang tatandaan ninyo. Pag
Sisikat
masaya
ka.
kayo sa ginagawa nyo, don't be pressured about yung outside na elemento. Hayaan nyo lang. Basta maging happy lang kayo.
You are stars in your own
Yes,
right.
you're a
Ito
star
naman.
in your own way.
Hi, Jacob. Use your mic, bro.
Jacob!
Hi,
Kumusta,
Jacob.
Jacob?
How are you?
good.
Good naman. Jacob, ito mukhang magiging mukhang magiging presidente to
Oh, Jacob.
Okay, Jacob, how are you with your classmates when they see you dancing? Do they like follow you?
Tuturuan ko
Do they
sila.
appreciate, ha?
Natuturuan mo sila?
Tinuturuan mo sila.
Wow!
Ayun ang gusto niyang gawin.
Nakikita mo yun, friend. Nagiging dahilan din yung mga talent nila para makipag-socialize sa kapwa nila, di ba? So at least...
Nagbo-blossom sila, nagbo-bloom. Di ba? May
Yes.
confidence, may build yung confidence
Ganda,
nila.
ganda.
Hindi ba? So, Kens, ano ba ang plano mo para sa iyong
Grupo.
What's the name of your group? Again, it's...
Sa Leyte po, my group is called Dayon.
Dayon, oo.
Short term for Padayon.
Yes.
They're here. I'm starting North Caloocan Summer Dance Camp.
Nice.
Okay.
It's a summer dance camp. It started actually last May.
Okay.
And this is for beginners to intermediate dancers,
Okay.
students. And I just really want them to be introduced with basic foundations. And
First.
then eventually, my goal is to be able also to do exactly what I've done in Leyte, which is to possibly let them compete in national competition and also in
Ganda.
international
How do they join,
competition.
bro? How do they join?
To join my dance camp, they just have to go through my Facebook page, which is
Okay.
North Caloocan Summer Dance Camp. And they just have to inquire, there's no pressure. I always tell that to parents.
May age requirement ba?
As long as we can go as early as 4 years old
Wow.
and as late as like 16 years old. As long as the kid wants to dance, then I'm happy to teach them.
Yeah! At syempre,
Good
masalamatan natin si Ken. Salamat hindamo. Syempre,
Salamat po.
Zoe, Anya, Nary, and Jacob, maraming salamat. Of course, hindi pa tapos, friend. Dahil makikitaan nila tayo ng kanilang mga natutuhan.
Yay!
Ito na!
Susunod, ibang mga trivia, iba't ibang trivia tungkol sa siyensya. Ang gusto nyong matutuhan ba? Abay, maraming ibabahagi si Lark Varona Dian. Pero bago yan, palapakan muna natin sina Kenz Garcia at ang North Caloocan Summer Dance Camp Kids!
Hey! Yo, wait, we got Miss Stella, you coming through. I heard the got hit by 3 zebras and a monkey. I can't stand this shit nowhere.
When I'm up in the peace, I ain't gotta eat free. I'm a bad mama, jump a gas, coming up, you ain't gotta like me. I ain't studying these crows. Need to talk what you know. Stop talking about who I'm sticking and licking, just mad at they chose. I know y'all fool, y'all got just hanging up close. Come on! Adios amigos. Don't brag, I'm moving close. Give it.
Mga Kanet 25, this is Love ang New Verbo. For more love, Tunipet, and Arafang updates, just click the subscribe button and follow us on our Net25 social media pages at Net25 TV and Net25 Entertainment Facebook. See ya. I love ya.